New Zealand. I wonder if they sell kiwis here. Even got bags, look at that. All the rugby bags. What are these? Rubber magnets. Oh wow. They're about, I think, $13 New Zealand, which is 1,000 yen. So, drink bottles. What are those? Bandanas. And got like notebooks and all sorts of different stuff. That's face stickers, even. Everything Rugby World Cup. Fans. Rugby World Cup's a huge business. Hello. Konnichiwa. What size rugby jersey you have that is the biggest size rugby jersey? 2XL?
2XL. Where country?
3XL. The winning country. Which is the winning country?
Winning country.
Which one will win, do you think?
All Blacks?
Okay, let's go to the All Blacks.
All Blacks is sold out. Sold out. Sorry. Sold out.
Sold out?
All Blacks.
Why All Blacks sold out? Oh, look, these are hoodies. World Cup hoodies. All Blacks? You have All Blacks?
No, All Blacks.
Oh, no All Blacks. Which team do you like? Which team? You like the All Blacks?
Japan.
You like Japan? Of course. But now Japan is not playing anymore.
No.
Who will you follow? Which team will you follow now?
Korea and All Blacks.
All Blacks.
And South Africa.
South Africa? Are you sure? Okay. All Blacks first, huh?
Replica.
All Blacks, not South Africa. No, this South Africa.
Yes.
You don't have any All Blacks sold out?
No, sold out.
And what size? What is the biggest size? What is the biggest size? It's a pretty nice lady. So they've got Australia. Looks like France. This is the Australia Indigenous jersey. Oh, here's the France ones. France. 4XL. So they're quite big. You have real big ones, but no All Blacks.
Sorry, we don't have All Blacks. It's only.
You're gonna get more?
No.
Sold out. Which is the most popular jersey?
All Blacks.
All Black. Why? Why do you think it's the most popular?
Because it's one of the strongest teams.
Yes.
They're very strong.
Yes. Which is your favorite team?
Ireland. Because I lived in Ireland.
You live in Ireland?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But now Ireland is out. Who do you follow?
All Blacks.
All Blacks, yes. All Blacks, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I will look around more. Continue. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Cheers.
Bye. Yeah, they were pretty nice ladies. All right. So no All Black jerseys. It's a good thing. They were sold out. Hey, you got the Tongan black jersey. Oh no, it's not Tongan, that's English. Oh no, it's a multi jersey. It's a multi jersey there, so you got. Look at those, look how cute those are, guys. That is so cute. Lucky Charms even. Wow. Look at these fluffy toys. Japanese little dragon characters. More Rugby World Cup merchandise. Man, this place will be making millions. They've even got the raincoats. Those are huge. South Africa though, not All Blacks. Probably sold out. See if we can talk to another one of the workers here. Hi, how are you? You have a South Africa jacket there. You have All Blacks one?
All Blacks is sold out.
Sold out. Which is the most popular?
All Blacks.
All Blacks, yes. Which team do you like?
Oh, Japan.
Japan. But Japan is not in now, so who will you follow? Who will win? Who do you want to win?
All right.
All Blacks. Okay, high five. Thank you. These jumpers, yeah, quite good for winter, guys. I've got a whole bunch of them up here. Got the Canterbury logo, familiar brand. Look how big these are. These are quite huge, actually. Massive. What size are these? 2XLs. So good for all you guys that drink beer. Big jerseys there for you. I'm not talking about you, I'm talking on the camera, on the camera.
Yeah.
So, a whole bunch of merchandise, guys. What are these? Chains for your keys. More bandanas. That's not too bad. So, this is where you give them all your money after you've bought all your merchandise. So much stuff. And check that out. A replica of the cup. It's pretty big there. Man, if that was like real gold, it'll be gone in a swift. So guys, everything All Blacks related in the store is sold out. From stickers to jerseys, jackets, scarves, even the key rings are all sold out. So the most popular team is the All Blacks, obviously. But I didn't know it was this crazy where basically they have no more stock left. So yeah.